Here is a card game from the contest. You have 4 cards, 6, 12, 16, and 18. Pick 2 different cards. One card is the rows, one card is the columns. Together, they fill a tray. Rows times columns is the number of kits. But the tray holds at most 200 kits. Make the fullest tray you can without going over.
Pause the video. Which 2 cards win? Here is a hint. What happens if you start with the 2 biggest cards?
Bigger cards make a bigger tray, so start with the 2 biggest, 16 by 18. Do not multiply it out, just estimate. That is about 290. That is over the cap. The tray is too big. So step the bigger side down to the next card. Now it is 12 by 18. That is 216. Still over. Step down once more. Now it is 12 by 16. That is 192. That fits. And the standard way agrees. Now new cards. 4, 7, 13, and 15. Same cap. Start with the 2 biggest again. 13 by 15. Estimate first. That is about 200. The real value is 195. That is under 200. It fits on the very first try. So you do not always step down. Start big, then check. Now it is your turn. A speed round. Start with the 2 biggest, step down to fit. Beat the timer in your head. This is the greatest product under a cap rule. If you pick 2 for the biggest product that stays under a limit, start with the 2 largest. If they go over, step the larger one down. Look for picking 2 from a list for the biggest product below a limit. 1 rectangle, many cuts. Learn, compete, and win. Visit competitivekids.org.